وعن wanaagsan dhamaantiinba meel kastoo caalamka aad ku joogtaan waxaan rabaa maanta report inaan siiyo gurigan waa neighborkayga waa 47 Baadi Road. This gentleman waxa uu maqan yahay about 8 weeks. Guriga waa arkaysaan halkan west coming from bridge ayaa u jeedaan oo mataqaana meesha xaaro ku yeeshay. As you see on the video, there is a leak, some liquid coming from the fridge, and we never know this person if is still alive or not. So everything is closed. You see, window waa xiran yahay. Marka waxaan rabnaa arrintan la yaab leh inaan la wadaagtaan. Originally, this gentleman he came from Sudan, but he living here a couple of years, and I think he's working. So in this information, we like to provide, the Somalian community, and we wanted to discuss. And I wanted to talk one of my neighbor lady. So how do you think this gentleman?
He has been really very nice. He has been kind person, gentle person. He has been a good neighbor.
He was a good neighbor, yeah. We can see on the streets all the time. But the sun is when this person is disappeared.
I don't know where is his son or no, I haven't seen.
Roughly how many? About 8 weeks?
8 weeks? No.
8 weeks now. And really that's not really good news because something can happen. So we provide this video for the police and the community, and we will see what's going on. And you see even the toilet window is closed, no light at all. The back door is closed as well.
Bedroom window is closed.
Bad windows, we knock all every single day, nobody opening. So that's the situation. Thank you very much for your information. Thank you.
It's all right.
And waa Cabdirashiid Aspro, waxa aan ku suganahay studio Aspro. Waxaan rabaa inaan idinla wadaago axsaabtayda dhacdo aad u layaab badan. Nin jaarkayga ah oo aan isdhaqaano muddo ka badan 10 sannadood ayaa 8 week oo ugu dambeeyey wax war iyo wacaaltoona lagama hayo. Waa muddo 2 bilood ah. Sida aad ka warqabtaana waddanka Ingiriiska waxaa aad ugu faafaha caabuqa coronavirus ama COVID-19 qof walba sida u yaqaano. Runtii waxa aan la wadaagay informationkan islaan dariskayga waa Hindi. runtii dee bini'aadanimada kuma ay jirto qof bini'aadan oo aad istaqanin dariiq markaas uga hortimaadeen hay isdhahdaan in aad ka warhaysid. dabcan gurigiisii markii aan hortagnayna waxaan ku aragnay dhacdo aad u naxdin badan oo caddayn inoo ah gurigaasi in aysan cidina aysan joogin, walow ay dhici karto in uu dhexdiisa ku jiro amaba mataqaana meeshii ay nafta uga baxday ama uu ka maqan yahay oo cisbitaal uu yaallo. ma garan karayno, wax walba filo. waayo guriga waxaa ku dhex jira sidaa ka warqabtaan fridge oo qofku uu ku xisaabtamayo markuu aado holiday inta korontadu ay kusii jirayso. hase yeeshee meesha waxaa inooga cad in korontadii fridgeka ay ka go'day, kadibna hilibkii iyo khudradii iyo wixii ku jiray oo dhanba ayaga oo dheecaan ah oo de bacteria ah ayay albaabka hoostiisa sida dareero oo kale ay ka soo baxeen. barnaamijkan live-ka ahaa oo si toos aad uga daawanayseen Aspro Studio. inta aynu ku kulmi doono barnaamijyaal kale oo xiiso badan, dhammaantiiba waxaad leenahay habeen wanaagsan. marka runtii lagama aamusi karo, indhahana lagama qabsan karo. waxaan doonayaa inaan la wadaago dadkeena mataqaanaa Soomaaliyeed, Somali community, iyo inta barnaamijkan daawan doonta intaba. runtiina mataqaanaa jaarku waa waxa ugu xaq badan oo lagu weydiinaya aakhiro. runtii wuxuu ahaa nin aad iyo aad khiyaar u ah oo dadka salaama. aynu de is-il garanayno marka barnaamijka waa barnaamij aad xasaasi u ah. videoga labaadna waxa aan la wadaagi doonaa islaanta dariskayga oo kasoo jeeda waddanka India. marka fadlan waxaan rabnaa wixii mataqaanaa reference ah ama dhacdadan in aad kasoo warbixisaan, waana idinla wadaagi doonaa the next step waxyaabaha ay ka qaadi doonaan marka aan la wadaagno arrimahan booliiska. waa nala socon doontaan. waa cabdirashiid aspro oo idin dhahaya dhammaantiin magaalo wanaagsan. bisha February waxaa ku beegan tahay maanta 15, waa maalin isniin ah. intaanu kulmi doono barnaamij noocan oo kale ah, waa anigoo cabdirashiid aspro oo dhammaantiin idin dhahaya maalintaydii wanaagsaneed. Thank you.
Yeah, I asked him already. I say as reference. I take video, and he says okay. I asked him.
Please.
Have you not seen him at all?
No, not at all. Because he's
He's a pair of flip-flops. Yeah.
Is it just him who lives there?
Long time.
For a long time.
There has been no movement in his kitchen or his kitchen belongings. They have always been in this position.
They've always been
Since-
that.
Yeah, because previously he used to make them, they took on him while cooking because he is very fond of cooking.
Careful, there's worst coming from.
Oh,
Yeah, it's like bacteria. I don't know. From the fridge, I don't know.
From here.
I just suspected.
Tom, what's all this on the kitchen top?
Because his living room windows are closed, bedroom windows are
Kind of
closed.
leak, isn't there? You see that? Like it's overflow, isn't it?
yeah.
Can you brush the bottom for me?
Now what?
Just do that. How about other way so I don't kick it? Can you go to this?
Okay.
Huh?
It's just really slippery, but yeah.
Try 3-3. Can we get an enforcer on it, please?
You need a hammer.
No, it's
Hammer? No, no, thank you. Yes, please.
try again.
Because these are very heavy roads.
Thank you. To 47 Baadi Road.
One more?
Huh?
Yep.
23 receiving negative.
Oh, wait. Can you smell it?
It's a weird smell.
I can't smell
But
it.
it's not. It smells like food.
Food. Rotten.
Yeah.
You see the sinks overflow.
3 Wait, Control 20.
One more time.
Dad,
Not there, mate.
With my right.
number 47, 47, Norwich Road, Concord, SD18. Over. Source.
Because we have to share everything. Yeah, that's why I reported.
Sorry, mate?
That's why I reported. We have to share to our safety everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, because something can happen. We don't know.
It's not. We need to get in there to check.
Thank you.
It's a good job. You try your best anyway.
We're just waiting for the big red key, and we'll get in there.
I think he stopped working his walking out. Also, when he is kind of sitting outside in the back garden.
Yeah.
He's been exercising around and doing other things.
Because behind is one long garden. We share all of them behind. It's a long garden.
And you haven't seen him for 2 months? Have you seen the chap from 47 recently?
I haven't seen it since before Christmas.
Yeah, same. Okay.
You sure it's not gone away? Might have gone away. It's from, I think it's Nigerian or something.
There's been some kind of leak.
Have you got his number or anything?
No. Yeah, I
You
said
used to speak to him?
just when he came out, he's very nice and guy. Say hello, good afternoon.
But he hasn't said
really
anything about going
respect it.
He hasn't said anything about
I
going
think
away.
originally from Sudan.
Sudan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going on to another.
If it's glass, we're better off going for the wood.
But if I start to get the fire brigade to break it open.
No, we've got our own enforcer coming down.
Oh yeah, big red key.
Big red key, that's right.
I think he's originally from Sudan.
I don't think
Sorry?
he's there.
Originally from Sudan.
Sudan?
Yeah, that's what I
I don't
think.
think he's there.
He's quite moving out on the road.
Do we know his name? First name, last name?
No. She know her first name, Steve. That's what she told me. I don't know
His name's
his.
Steve? Steve. 2 zeros.
Because there is a
What shall we
possibility
say?
of coming to Nigeria.
Yeah, wannan nufi ba, ai gadon ka ne amma kaman
Yeah, you can put your back now.
See, that took 3 guys to do it. 3 guys.
But now you can jump.
Better not jump. Oh, look, I think I did pretty well. I did very well.
You did your
I did.
best.
I know, I think I did really well.
3 months they can't
They
report
can't.
about you.
Yeah, they need me.
believe we got here. Where's the kitchen?
Kitchen is here. This one. No. Here is a cabinet, but if you go inside, then right side is the kitchen. Go in on the right side. Turn right.
We didn't hear you. Right, the only thing is that mirror, right?
That should be the bedroom.
Bedroom.
Yeah.
Hey? Might be the kitchen, though, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Do you want to hold Push that mirror. Nice.
Bedroom is straight.
Doors on there, good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the bedroom.
That's what?
Bedroom.
That's the bathroom there.
No, bedroom, bed. Come here. It's not open yet. There's a mirror.
Oh, yeah, I'm saying that. Textbook that was? Yeah, done it before. Anyone there?
Is no one there?
No.
Here's the kitchen, isn't it? It's all coming up on the drain by the looks of it. It's all getting pushed up.
waa la jabiyey gurigii waxa kuma jiraan
All the water that's been coming out.
meesha seexanaa waa kan waa eber
These 60 flats.
We've got a name and date of birth for the hospitals.
You've got my first name, maybe Steve. Yeah.
so hopefully you will sort it out soon.
Yeah, about 10 minutes hopefully.
Okay, have a lovely day.
You too, man.
barnaamijkan live-ka ahaa oo si toos aad uga daawanayseen Aspro Studio inta aynu ku kulmi doono barnaamijyaal kale oo xiiso badan dhammaantiiba waxaad leenahay habeen wanaagsan